Aziona, Butungsangan, Yona, Abundant number one. Never take that seven Mariana, Kripuna. Zai, Nanta, the bomb get in Ivana, David Night, Rama Giba. Zai, get in Ivana, Doctor. Zai, of the club, Sun Club, Asida.
Contestant number 2. Contestant number 2 ada quiz na Genevieve na. Contestant number 2 Genevieve na. Ayun na siya, Gimayi. Misuida, gabang gira ko doon zina. At siya, Genevieve na ba? Iwang bamsa na lasang kulodilo. Zay, inang kagdate at amarang zana. Tulas ko na. Zay, inta ko na ba vlog at inibana. Zay mo sa Instagram Reels pira. Zay, iting chubat inibana. Your cultures. Thank you. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 3 ada quiz na ringgang ilan ramya. Contestant number 3 ringgang ilan ramya. Contestant number 3 ringgang ilan ramya. Blessed Club.
Hai menazah Gimai, enggak patuli ibna anisite mile, za enggak patuli ibna anipisol le. Azizna ringang ilen rama, ago contestant number 3, ago hobbysna hello teba, za ago emilazna teacher, toda.
Contestant number 4. Contestant number 4. Lily Lena, St. Thomas Club. Contestant number 4. Lily Lena, St. Thomas Club.
Good evening, everyone. Blossom for beauty, let us grow and blossom like a flower, blossoming into full bloom. My name is Lila. My contestant number 4, presenting from St. Thomas Club. I study in Haflongborg College, ages first year. My hobby is gardening and crafting. And my aim in life is to be work hard and to be successful woman. Thank you. Kalumda.
A popular model actor from Nagaland, who recently started a voluntary league and has worked with various magazines and brands, including Vogue, Harper's Bazaar.
Next contestant number 5, Mary Lanema. Next contestant number 5, Mary Lanema. Contestant number 5, Mary Lanema. deh. Aku contest number 5. Aku kelas 10. Jadi aku hobi internet sebentar. Akan beramjam saja, untuk nulis samtam sebentar. Jadi aku MMS nurse. Thank you.
Contestant number 6, Achang Lan Biamya. Contestant number 6, Achang Lan Biamya. Contestant number 6, Achang Lan Biamya.
First of all, Happy Bauhinia Festival to everyone, and a very good evening to everyone, respected judges and the invitees. My name is Atonglet Wame, and I'm from Haringram Laisong. I'm 14 by age, and my standard is of 9. I studied in Sinal Higher Secondary School, Houghton. My hobby is to travel around the world and listening to music. My aim in life is to become a cabin crew as an air hostess. Thank you.
Contestant number 7, Sri Vilamena. This is contestant number 7, Sri Vilamena. Contestant number 7, Sri Vilamena. Hayırlar Gimayda Azizna Sri Vilamena. Aku club Zizna Rasisan Club. İlk teyze Zizna Askre. Zena aku hobisnya gardening. Zena aku aim in life business. Sudah.